Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jose and I want to start this year 2019 with an unboxing. Let's run the intro. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I have this box that came out from Spain from my good friend Gadirubik. But I decided to make it this unboxing because this is a special cube that I was looking at a long time ago. Helps out open. Yep, this is what I thought. Comes with a 3D printed stand. My good friend's card. Thanks, Gadi. Put the box out. This is a special cube that I was looking for. Look at that. Let's get rid of that. Look at this puzzle. This is a 7x7. This is a 7x7 ball. I think Tony Fisher did a video in 2008. Yep, regarding to something similar to this guy. Check out the moves. You can barely hear the friction between pieces. Right? So let's have a move that way. It's moving pretty awesome. Yep. Now the beauty the beauty of this puzzle is the way that he places the stickers. I thought it's gonna be the regular, you know.
You could do so.
You gotta spend a lot of time just trying to put the stickers, but I have the feeling that you're using a plotter for them, so just stickering will be a lot of work. See, that is less than that. I would call it a mini 7x7, and this is a 3x3. It's almost the size of that. This is pretty much a perfect sphere. It's really difficult to make it. I was trying to make some trials, but I was unsuccessful at the moment. But this is one of the reasons I buy these handmade modes, to check out how the designers do these puzzles and learn from them. Let's check out the pieces inside. What a small piece. Amazing. Now let's check this one. How thin it is. Have a look inside. You see the work of the designer, and the pieces are pretty much clean. Lovely work. So let's put everything together and let's do some scramble and see if I can be able to solve it. Alright, let's scramble the puzzle. Just to scramble this guy is really hard, but at the same time, basically the problem is that you need to align the proper way, otherwise it will bandage, it will block. So I will take my time trying to still scramble it, but and then I will try to solve it and I'll let you know.
2,000 years later.
Let's make some final impressions about this cube. First of all, it's a good material. It's the best is the best for doing ball cubes and also for small parts. The way that you Gary did the design was amazing. Trying to protect a lot of the mechanism, just try to cover all the outside parts with epoxy and pretty much that. Didn't paint the mechanism, which is good. And also, well, the sticker work, the stickers are really awesome. I didn't.
You want.
Now I tried to solve after that the centers of these 7x7s, and for me it was really easy compared to this one, because centering different colors was really hard. The good thing I discovered that I can use as a pivot these 3 centers to get the final result of this area, and the same happens in here. I love the work you did for the stickers. I think I said pretty much enough, guys. I recommend you to start hustling Gary. I think this puzzle is a must in your collection. Is a must. You need that.
My precious, precious.
I will leave the links of Gary in the description below. See you next time. I'll send you a squeezy hug. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will try to continue with the superhero series. There will be more 3D printing stuff. Go. Solve a puzzle. Solve a puzzle. That's good for your mind. See you in the next video. Bye. With the edges, so